Imagine you stepped into a golden wheat field. The breeze is calm, the sun is warm, and then the crops cry out as your sickle cuts through them. It's not science fiction anymore. In this world, plants have evolved the ability to produce sounds we can hear. Not ultrasonic clicks, but actual screams, shouts, and cries. In reality, plants already communicate when stressed. Scientists have recorded ultrasonic pops when stems are cut, and plants release chemicals to warn others of danger. Tomatoes, wheat, corn, they all have ways to signal distress. But imagine if those signals were loud, emotional, and impossible to ignore. Would farmers still feel comfortable harvesting wheat if it cries out in pain? Would picking an apple feels like hurting a living creature? Would vegetarianism suddenly feel less cruelty-free? Maybe we'd develop new harvesting techniques. Silent, painless, maybe even AI-assisted, to avoid triggering their screams. In this future, AI-driven robots could scan each plant, detect when it's ready and harvest without damage, or maybe even ask permission from the crop itself. Farming would shift from cutting and pulling to negotiating and nurturing. A wheat field might not just be farmland, it could be a conversation. If plants could scream, humans might finally understand their role in the ecosystem. Overharvesting, deforestation, and pesticides use would feel far more personal. It could change our diets, our ethics, maybe even our entire food chain. So, what if your salad could beg you to stop? Would you eat less, or would you invent a kinder way to farm? If crops could scream, the sound of dinner might never be the same. The future of farming is just the beginning. If you enjoyed this journey, there's a whole playlist of what-if stories working to spark your imagination. From the wild to the wonderful, each one asks a question that could change how we see the world. Subscribe now so you don't miss a single harvest of ideas. And click to the playlist to keep exploring, because curiosity grows best when you feed it.